Arya and welcome to my new apartment. I thought that I would make an apartment makeover, but that made me realize it requires me to find a lot of things very quickly. And I want to decorate my apartment slowly and making sure everything that I bought is the one that I truly love. And also, since finding things that I really like to took much more time than I thought. So I'm just going to bring you guys with me as I decorate this place slowly. And it is also expensive to buy everything at one go. I really love our new place. Of course, it's not complete yet, but I really do feel like home already. And it's crazy how motivated and inspired I am. Having your own space to make art and make a mess does make a lot of difference. And I can probably say at least around 90% of our furniture is all secondhand. Facebook Marketplace is really the way to go for a really old antique furniture and for a really good price. I also love how old pieces feel. I feel like they have more character to it. I mean, of course the brand new pieces can have character, but it also will cost you way more. So yeah, this video is not strictly like apartment makeover. It's more like the things that I've been doing ever since I moved here.
So it starts here after a couple of days we moved in. I found this leather couch on Facebook Marketplace for $150 and I think I can salvage it and make it look better. So I got a leather cleaner, a leather stain, and also mink oil to make it look shiny again. I lay an old bedsheet underneath and just start staining it in circular motion little by little. I am also sorry for the very bad lighting in this footage since we don't have any proper lighting other than from the kitchen. So I used the only available lamp that we have and it does not look good. It's very strong and glary. And I am also very tired and could not be bothered moving my tripod around. So from the extra purchases from Amazon to make this leather look decent again, I think I spent another $50, so it's around $200 for a 3-seater leather couch, and I think that's still very good deal. It's also very comfy and deep, so I'm very glad I got this.
Hello, so it is the next morning and so here's the couch looking. It's very patchy but I kind of like it. It's rustic and Ponya seems to enjoy our new couch already. I also just set up the TV up. This TV weighed like 40 pounds or something. It's very heavy, but yeah, I'm so glad I managed to put this up with my partner. I'm planning to crochet a frame for it. I think that'll be cute. So here's the update for the living room. I got that couch for like $150, so it's a huge deal for how comfy it is. Oh, by the way, all my furniture here is from Facebook Marketplace. That coffee table is like $15. The TV console table is like $100 and is very heavy. It's like solid wood. I just set up the plant up top like that. I'm planning to trail it all the way here as it grows, and I also have a mirror that I plan to hang right here. I think that'll be very cute. So yeah. So here's the plan with the worm bin. I just need the 3 clean empty buckets, drill some holes in 2 of them,
and stack one on top of each other with the non-drilled bucket on the bottom. Add the worms with some substrate like cocoa coir or some dirt or different compost that you already have, and layer it with food scraps or what they call green materials and shredded paper and cardboard or what they call brown materials. I made sure I checked the safe green material to add for the worm bin before this and also the amount that I should put it in. I'm not fully aware about it yet since I just started mine, so I don't think I should give you any advice for that. But over time, the worms should munch through all of them, turning it into nutrient-dense compost. You will also get a worm tea, which is really great as a liquid fertilizer. And when all the scraps all turn into compost, you put another bucket on top, filling it with green and brown materials again. And technically, the worms should be slowly climbing up for a fresh batch of food, and you'll get the worm compost in the middle bucket. And so far, I try to always cover the green material with enough browns or the compost that I already have inside the bucket to prevent any smell. And so far, it's been working really great. So I think I have drilled enough holes for the worm tea to pass through and small enough for the worms not falling out from the bucket. And I have also the other bucket with much bigger holes. Okay, so with much bigger holes. So once the food on the bottom layer diminish, they can just start climbing up through this holes. I hope that's big enough. I think it's big enough. And I also got a raised bed. I got it from Facebook Marketplace again for like $50 plus delivery. There's the liner inside too. I haven't attached it. So tomorrow is actually my friend's birthday, so I decided to make a no-bake cheesecake. The cake needs to set in the fridge overnight, so I need to prep it in the night before. And I'm making blueberry Oreo cheesecake. I love feeding my friends, and I think that's just one of my love languages. Especially knowing my friends and my partner truly enjoy the things that I cook or bake for them brings me extra joy. They're not moving much.
actually haven't checked this for like a week. Last time I put some lettuce and mushroom for me. And it seems like they completely eaten the piece of paper and some cardboard that I put in as well. It will. That will do. It looks like a scar. It's not great, but I'm gonna show you tomorrow with better lighting. Bye. So I just got back from my bakery and I just finished brewing coffee with my toddy. And I don't usually use this filter, but I use it today because I want to save the brown so I can dye the skirt a bit more browner. So this is what the skirt looks like before dyeing it with coffee. I'm pretty proud of it since it's my first ever sewing project and it even has pockets. And this is what it looks like after the dyeing. I was a bit worried it will shrink and I made the pockets a bit too tight for my hand, and yeah, I'm glad that I can still put my hand in and out after dyeing even though it is a little bit tight, but yeah. Hello, so it is currently Sunday and I wasn't expecting... Oh, hi buddy. One second. I've been in a really sewing mood, I guess, what you call it. After I made the skirt, I feel like I really want to try making my own like actual full dress. I didn't record a lot because I wasn't expecting I'm gonna actually end up with something that I might be able to wear. But right now I'm actually making the lining of my dress. So let me show you. I was able to make a legit dress. I mean, it's not done yet. I haven't put like the straps. Okay, here's the exciting part. It is corset base that is fully customizable. I got this pattern from Jess Tang, so it's free. She even like show you how to make the pattern yourself based on your like body measurements. So yeah, it's so cool. I'm just in the middle of making the lining, but I need to stop now because I have a board game date with my friend and Harrods. Look how perfect it is. Oh my god, it's so big. I love it so much. These two little cheeky, little derpy cheeky, derpy cheeky. I love you too. You're adorable. Okay. Ponyo.